guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Monday again. It's time for our accent training. Today, I want to give you a quick tip on how to pronounce the TR cluster sound. This sound is a bit tricky because we don't pronounce it tra, 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 but we have to pronounce it the chur. CHR sound, okay? So make sure the R should be there, like this. Try, just try it. I want to try Korean food. I want to try Indian food. Trailer truck. I love the trailer. Tray. Can I have the tray, please? Okay, guys, so how about your mouth position? Here, your lips quite round. Try. And your tongue, the tip of your tongue touches at the bottom of your front teeth. Then it's a little bit curving like this. Train. Try. Alright, so practice some of these words. Repeat after me. Trade. Trace. Transmission. Transparent. Triumph. Trivial. Trouble. True. Truth. Country. Trick. Threat. Alright guys, so practice several times and try to make your own sentences by using some of these words. Okay, so I look forward to seeing your tasks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the group. Bye for now.